Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. And if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon. So here we've got the recents, and all you have to do is to simply tap on close all. Now let's open the recents again to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Be aware, because sometimes your device will leave one app opened, and all you have to do then is to simply swipe it up like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.